Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by adding the wiper package and importing it into your file. This gives access to the API. Once done, verify your iOS deployment target and Swift language version so the library compiles. Next, initialize the primary wiper view or controller in code. For example, let wiper equals wiper view frame, your frame. This first actionable step establishes the component. Make sure to add it to the view hierarchy immediately so layout constraints can be applied. Now configure the wiper instance. Position it with auto layout or frames and set core properties like speed, direction, stroke width, and color so the animation matches your UI. Because timing matters, choose an easing curve and a duration that feels natural. You can also link progress to scroll or touch events. Then attach delegate methods or completion closures to respond when a wipe starts, updates, or completes, which lets you sequence other UI changes reliably. To finish, trigger the wipe with the library's Start API, for example, call wiper. Start or animate with duration. Once the animation completes, call wiper, reset, or remove the view and ensure you clean up delegates to avoid retain cycles. If things go wrong, first inspect console errors for missing imports or version mismatches, then verify auto layout constraints and main thread execution. These are the most common causes of silent failures. If retained, use weak delegates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.